Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ClickUp dashboards powering automations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard you want to backup. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to name the duplicated dashboard. Enter a name that indicates this is a backup. Ensure that the Share With settings are as per your preference. Click on the Duplicate Dashboard button. Your new backup dashboard will now appear in your dashboard list. To backup automations, go to the Automations tab in ClickUp. Locate the automation linked to the dashboard you want to save. Click on the automation to open its settings. Take note of the triggers and actions configured in that automation. Screenshot or document the details of each automation step. If needed, create a new automation in the backup dashboard. Recreate the automation using the details you noted earlier. After duplicating, confirm that the backup dashboard functions as expected. You now have a replicated dashboard and its associated automations. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your dashboards and automations are always backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.